Welcome to Red Teaming India. If you are new to cybersecurity and if you want to build a career in the cybersecurity field, this series is for you. To explore major domains of cybersecurity. Understanding these domains is the first step of becoming a cybersecurity professional. Not just about hacking, combination of multi-specialized fields that works together to protect the systems, networking, applications, and data cyber attacks. Let's look at the major domains. Network security. This domain protects computer networks from unauthorized access and cyber attacks. It includes firewalls, intrusion detection system, VPNs, and network monitoring. Application security. Application security focuses on securing websites and mobile apps and software. Professional identify vulnerabilities and fix them before attackers can exploit them. Information security protects to data from unauthorized access, modification, or theft. The main goal is to maintain confidentiality, integrity, and availability, is also known as a CIA trade. Cloud security. As organizations move to cloud platforms like AWS and Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud, and cloud security protects cloud infrastructure, applications, and stored data. Endpoint security. Endpoint security protects devices such as laptops, desktops, servers, and mobile phones using antivirus and EDR tools and security policies. IAM, Identity and Access Management. It ensures that right person get access to the right resource and the right time using authentication, authorization, and multi-factor authentication. Incident response and digital forensics. When a cyber attack happens, incident responder team conducts the attack investigation, what happened, recovers systems, and collect the evidence. Vulnerability assessments and pen testing. VAPT identifies security weakness in systems and applications. Ethical hacker simulates real-world attackers to help organize Security Operations Center (SOC). Analysts monitor security events 24/7 and detect threats and investigation alerts and respond to cyber incidents, vulnerabilities before attackers find them. And governance, risk, and compliance. GRC focus on security compliance, security policies, and risk management and compliance with security standards such as ISO framework 27001 and NIST framework and GDPR. These 10 domains work together to protect businesses and governments and individuals from cyber threats. If your goal is to become an ethical hacker or a VAPT professional, don't worry guys. We have covered every topic step by step in this series. Like this video, please do subscribe to Red Teaming India and let's begin to our cybersecurity. See you.